create faxable TIFF files with TIFF Image Printer 12. TIFF Image Printer 12 uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output image you want. TIFF Image Printer comes with a few default profiles, including Color Optimized TIFF, Fax TIFF, and Monochrome TIFF. To create faxable TIFF images, simply set the profile, Fax TIFF, as TIFF Image Printer's default profile. Note that all of the following information also applies if you are creating TIFF images with your raster image printer. Double-click on the TIFF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the TIFF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the TIFF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to TIFF Image Printer. Select Manage Printers. Beside TIFF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select Fax TIFF as the default profile. Save your changes. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close printer management. Now, each time you print to TIFF Image Printer, it will automatically apply the settings stored in the Fax TIFF profile to your output TIFF image. Our default Fax TIFF profile is configured to create multi-page TIFF images at 204 by 196 dpi and has fax mode creation turned on. The default profile uses a Fax Profile F, which will create standard monochrome faxes. If you are looking to create simplified monochrome faxes, change the fax profile to Profile S. Or, for color faxes, change the fax profile to Profile C. All of the additional settings under the Fax Mode tab control how the fax is laid out on the page. If you make any changes to our default settings, you will need to save your own custom profile. For the purposes of this example, I am happy with the default Fax TIFF profile, so I will not save this duplicate profile. Close Profile Manager and the dashboard. Open the document you want to convert to TIFF. Select File, Print. Select the TIFF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to the TIFF Image Printer. Then set the name and save location of your new TIFF image. Now, files printed to TIFF Image Printer will be faxable. Try out our TIFF Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.